Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am barefaced now. I haven't done anything to my hair or my makeup yet. I'm having my maternity photos today, and I am so excited to share with you everything that I'm going to do to get the look that I'm going for. I'm just going for like a really pretty glam kind of look. So I'm going to be doing my hair and my makeup today, and I'll be putting in my hair extensions, so you'll get to see how I do that, and I'll be curling both of them. So all right, so I'm going to get this all fixed up. I've already put some oil on my face by Perfectly Posh. It's called Dawn on Me. And I have some Rosy Lips Vaseline on my lips to get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna get to doing is my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix my foundation. I wanted to actually fake tan for this photo shoot, but it's just getting harder for me to do that by myself, and I didn't have time to go get it done. So, oh well, it's wintertime anyway, so I don't really need to be tan. So I'm having to kind of play with my foundation. So I'm using the TLC by Almay. I'm going to do a pump of that, and then I'm going to do a pump of my True Match Lumi foundation. It's a little bit darker, so I wanted to mix it to get like more of a medium color. So it's a little bit darker than my skin, but for pictures, it really makes it look really good when I do that. Because if not, my face will just glow. So I'm just going to take all of this and put it on my face like that. And then I'm going to blend it out with my foundation brush. So I'm just using my It Cosmetics foundation brush. Get all the rest of my hand cleaned up. And we're just going to all right, so now we're going to take our big fluffy brush and we're going to take bare minerals Okay, so I just put mineral veil all over that, and now I'm going to start on my eyes, and then I'll come back in for blush and lips and concealer. First, I'm going to start with my eyebrows because I feel like it's hard to do my eye makeup without my eyebrows. So I'm just using this Makeup Revolution. a little bit. Okay, thanks. You're welcome. Okay, so now we're going to move on to my hair. I just sprayed it with the heat protectant spray, and I am going to separate it and start putting my hair extensions in. Actually, I'm going to curl some pieces first because my hair extensions are already pretty curled. So I'm just going to touch that up. So we're going to brush this. I'm going to use some dry shampoo. So sorry, you guys. I was in the middle of finishing up my hair and my camera ran out of storage. So basically, I just curled all of my hair and this is how it turned out. I just got back from my photo shoot and I can't wait to share with you how it turned out. I'm so excited. She sent me a sneak peek already and it's just going to be so beautiful. I just love how the colors and everything worked out. But I appreciate you watching and I hope that you enjoyed watching me get ready for my photo shoot, and I'll see you in the next video.